Let me look sexy for Obi before he come back from trip. What's up, guys? How are you guys doing today? Okay, my husband is coming back from trip, and uh, before coming back, he told me that he want to see me dress sexy and put on my new hair. Which is, I said no problem. After the cleaning, systemizing the house and all the stuff, I said I have to do it for him because that is one of his wish. Okay, all right. I decided to pump up inside the bedroom, okay, to start preparing for my amazing odogu. You know now how it is. Okay, I started preparing because I have to take my shower, which is I'm doing it, cleaning my face, then taking my shower, then putting my cream. Then I have to rush to go and look for the clothes that will be okay. Although that we are in winter, I cannot dress much sexy than the weather because the weather is so cold here in Italy. So I decided to put up something casual that it is okay. It looks sassy, but not too much sassy for him. So that is what I did. But I know that you are going to review my dressing hat. I did not put any makeup because it was at night. I have to run to the kitchen to go and prepare something for him. So there is no need me putting on makeup. Then after an hour, I have to clean it. So I just decided to put on some of my clothes. Then after my shower, putting my cream, my perfume, my roll-on, then putting on my clothes. I love dancing all the time. I love playing. That is me for you. Then after doing that, I just put on my cap wig. That is the new cap wig that I bought, which is Obi has not seen it, so I decided to use that curling cap wig, although they call it afro. So I decided to use it because after using some water to wet it, it become coiling. Very beautiful. That cap wig is really amazing. But at the end, review how I look. I still look beautiful without no makeup. There is no need using makeup after 30 minutes or an hour. I have to go and clean it up. But I saw myself as a queen, as beautiful as always. I compliment myself because they said self-love is the best. All right, I decided to leave this short voice record for you guys to understand what I'm doing and everything. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Please do not forget to like and share. Leave your opinions on our video. Follow us for more videos and click the notification bell. Put it all in case anytime we post a new video, you will see all our videos. Okay, you will be the first person to be notified. Thank you, guys. I love you.